Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. So for today, we want to continue on topic 3, which is related to the point sources of alternative water resource. Okay, at the end of the topic, actually you will be able to identify the point of sources to each type of alternative water resources. Okay, let's see the first topic on water resources. Water pollution is described as the contaminations of a stream, river, lake, ocean, or other body of water. This source of water may deplete uh, and reduce the water quality. It also make it dangerous to the environments and humans. There are two types of water pollution, which is organic pollution, such as microorganism, bacteria, and also viruses. And the other one is chemical pollution, which is include pesticide, phosphate, human, and animal medications. The causes of water pollution is the human activity, which is primary cause water pollution. So water pollution also can caused by natural phenomena, which is landslides and flood. Source of water pollution. The first one is sewage and wastewater. Second one is urbanization and deforestation. And the last one is water pollution that can comes from activities such as agriculture. Okay, then we have industry, pollution from marine dumping, as well as radioactive waste. Okay, so the first one is on harmful substance. Harmful substances include petrol, oil, grease, and pesticide. These harmful substances normally pour into the sinks and also toilets. These substances are especially difficult to remove and may increase the cost to achieve a better water quality. The cost is considered as the treatment of the harmful substance. So what we need to do to prevent this from happening, we need to try to contacting a local council for safer disposal option. Okay, next is dispersed sources pollutant. This one is include water from the urban storm that collect into a drainage. This water carry gritty materials. Okay, and then beside the storm water, we also have water from the surface runoff, water that falls as a rain will become a surface runoff. And these surface runoff, for examples that come from farms, they carries fertilizer and pesticide. Okay, next is organic materials. So examples of organic materials include pesticide, humic substance, petroleum, where it can produce toxic chemicals during disinfection. The more organic materials can be come from the sewage. And how we determine that sewage has more organic materials is by check the biochemical oxygen demand. Okay, so this BOD is actually refer to the amount of oxygen needed by the microorganism to decompose organic substance. So basically, BOD have different type, which is aerobic with oxygen, anaerobic without oxygen. Then dissolved oxygen is actually very important, as the higher concentration of dissolved oxygen, they show the good and better water quality. Vice versa, if the oxygen levels drop to zero water, it will become aseptic. Okay, next, number 4 is on industrial waste. Industrial waste contains toxic chemicals, which include the heavy metals. So, various type of heavy metals, such as we have lead, mercury, and also sulfur. Okay, the discharge of the industrial waste into a lakes, river, or sea will basically change the color of the water, as well as the temperature. So, of course, it will harm the water organism, aquatic life. Okay, that is basically on the water pollution sources. So, here go the reference that you might refer. Okay, thank you. See you in next class. Assalamualaikum.